Welcome to our reality show. Hi, I'm Emily, and in this video, I'm a super fan of Ballerina Cappuccina. Hi, I'm Kat, and right now, I'm playing the role of Mira. Today, I invite my friend Mira to watch our new video. Are you ready? I'm starting the video. Let's go! Take the mug away. Let's watch the video. Exactly. Oh, cool. Look how many colors. But we're not just watching, we're doing a challenge. Every time we see one button's color in the video, we have to press it. Red. I pressed it. And I see green. Yay! Oh, did you see our little house? Yeah, I want one like that too. Did you make it yourselves? Yes. I wonder who'll win. Though I believe in Ballerina Cappuccina. Rumi's great too. Oh, the challenge is starting. I remember there was green there. Where is it? Just a moment. Oh, red. I won. Wait, there's green here too. Looks like a tie.
Oh yes, a soft pink is perfect for ballerina.
I'd have a snack too.
Wow.
Can I have some noodles? Well, of course. Oh, thanks, Kat.
Here's my paint spray. Everything.
Enjoy. Oh, challenge time is ending. Will they make it?
Faster.
Whoa, great job.
Wow.
Tell us in the comments. Who did you like more? Ballerina Cappuccina or Mira? But I like noodles.
I can put my doll.
Oh, that's my doll. Wow, it looks just like you. Cool. She's such a cutie. Hi, baby. I love her. What? Did Rumi have her own doll too? I knew it. I have the same one. Oh, let's sing together. Ballerina Cappuccina. I can be an idol too. What about your doll? Oh, you're gonna give her a new look by the window? Cool idea. Oh, I almost forgot. Green. I found my color 3 times. Yay! And the vocals ended. Did you like our song? Okay, what's happening there?
Now the terrace is super comfy.
Whoa! How about a summer vibe? Wow! It's so much more fun to watch like this. Time to chill. Look, we're gonna make mugs now, like yours. Wow, so pretty. Oh, look, red, and green.
Perfect.
All right, I'm back in the game. Wow, Rumi made a super cool zone. When will they show our area? Oh, let's grab the dolls. Wow, you have them? So cool. We'll watch together. Let's dance. Oh, the girls have nothing going on. We should hype them up.
I love cotton candy.
Do you see how we scared her? What? Those are my favorite candies. I need something sweet too. Wow, that's a cotton candy machine. So cool. Uh-huh. Get it while it's warm. Delicious. It's just scrumptious. Oh, I don't remember this moment. Were we drawing? And making mustaches out of cotton candy? Don't be naughty. Clouds. We made them from cotton candy too. And you can also catch it with your mouth. This game should be an Olympic sport. Oh, look how beautiful it turned out. Wow, even cooler on the screen. You're always with your doll. Nah, Rumi's is cooler. Relax, she's just jealous because I also sing. Whoa, what a cool swing! Yeah, because we're awesome too! Hey, stop it! Oh, what a cute puppy! Wow! Totally! He's just adorable! I'd love one like that too! I want to make the challenge harder! We'll fill our mouths with water. And if anyone laughs and spits it out, they lose a point. Let's go! Well, I'm holding on so far. And what's that with Rumi? A slide into a makeup bag.
Wow, what a wall design. I like it.
The main thing is not to spit the water out. Don't make me laugh. Hush! Oh, it's all because of you. 1-0. I'm still holding, though it's hard. Oh, don't miss this moment. What a face you made. Were you trying to drink Orbeez? No, it's bubble tea. That's what you think. Okay, fill your mouth with water, quick. All right, just don't make me laugh like that. Oh, you're something, Emily. I shocked myself. The main thing is not to laugh. Then I'll win. Now the doll performs instead of Rumi. Wait, why are you laughing? Ugh, I spilled it all. Okay, I still have water left. Wow, I love videos like this. It stretches so satisfyingly. The tickle monster. Cat! You're something else. Okay, that's it. Now you'll be mopping the floors. So, do you remember the life hack? Do you see what she made? I think it's really cool. Oh, I need a timeout. What a funny tiger she made. And how about this little one? Wanna hold him? Take it away. I'll definitely choke. Hang in there. Maybe you'll even win. All right then, let's keep going. Wait, we haven't reached the funniest part yet. Why did you give me this tiger? Take it back. That tiger. Hey, stop. Green, I found it. There was more. Hey, wait, I have to capture this. Maybe a photo? Smile. Oh, baby, hold something. Maybe the tiger? Oh no! What's wrong with Golobiro Spironiro? Why didn't he like it? Seriously? Don't laugh. I'm really worried. Oh, coffee will lift anyone's mood. Yep. Ugh, my glass is fogged up from laughing. Our little bird is on a coffee break. Oh, keep it up. Yes, that'll be a cool photo. Oh, it worked. Cool. Wait a minute, I missed something. Why is Ruby still empty? What a challenge. Who is the funniest? Tell us below. I hope the doll will like it. Wow, no way. You made a whole ballet hall for the doll? Really? She's very lucky. Oh, now she's a real ballerina. Ooh. Wow, for the doll, we set up everything so well. Wow, for real. Looks nice. Wait, what's the platform for? Oh, you're wearing the same earrings? Pretty. Oh, thank you so much. You're doing everything so great. I wonder what you'll come up with next. What? Fringe curtains? That's a very cool idea. Yeah, and you can make a dress too. Do you want to become a ballerina? Then let's copy your moves. Oh, I'm in! So maybe I'll show her a couple of moves too. Follow me! Oh, cool move! I like it! Rumi taught me that. She's the best dancer. I'd love to dance like her. And sing too. Wait, what is Rumi gonna do? Did you get it? Looks like she's ordering furniture for her doll. Or for herself. Yep, I knew it. Ooh, preparing for a concert. Kat, you always throw me off. Not true. Actually, I'm a K-pop star too. I got speakers as well. But no guitar. And Rumi has one. Whoa, a whole collection. So cool. Ruby made such a cool stage area. And the curtains look like mustaches. Oh, magic. Wow, and here's the microphone. I want one too. I have one like that. Sing with Rumi. With pleasure. Ah, shine with me. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Baby. Thanks. You're a great audience, Emily. Oh, and who's that? Looks like a courier. And what did she bring? Wow, a disco ball. Uh-huh. Looks like someone's having a big party. What about the concert? That ball definitely won't fit there. Why? It's big. Well, yeah, but you can make a small one. I wonder how she'll do it. I'd squish it. So what? You're not that strong. Now this is interesting. That's not all. Whoa, is that really how they did it? And is it hard? No. Oh, okay then. Did you see that? That's hilarious. It all fell apart. Funny. And what will Rumi do now? Ooh. Yep, Rumi's so cool. Do you think she'll really pull it off? Of course. Oh, using an earring. Great idea. She really used an earring. Cat, stop praising Rumi. All right then. Your earrings are cool too. No, stop it. You're so funny. Wow, the real concert turned out so beautiful. Whoa, I know this song. Karaoke time. Time to take you down. Ooh, Tam Tam. New rule. You can't use your hand to press the button. Join in. It'll be cool. Oh, perfect. I'm in the game. Come on. There's red. This time I'll definitely win.
I can make something very comfy.
Wait. No way. What do you see there? Oh, our room. So cute. Tell me about it. Oh, looks like the ballerina's up to something. We need a lamp. So why didn't you make it?
Could you shrink that lamp for me? No problem. I'll make it
Green. And another one. Oh, I thought the lamp would be green too. Cancel. We don't press the button. Don't distract me. I'm curious. Though I should watch for red too. Oh, red! And I found green. Don't distract me, Cat. And the ballerina is cool. Ooh, red color. Wait, there must be another green somewhere. Where is it? Whoa, the ballerina just pulled ahead. Not just her. You're something else. Does my forehead count as red? Be careful, Cat. Back to watching. How's Rumi doing? And I found green. Oh, poor Rumi. But a cappuccino will definitely help her. That was fun. Whoa, what did she think of? Does she want to inflate the furniture for her? But then they'll tie. Why did you help her? Ooh, Emily. Hands free. Come on, I was joking. Ooh, what does Rumi's doll want now? Oh, I'm curious too. Maybe just to show off. She's watching TV too, like us. Oh, wait, there's red on the cookie. And green for Rumi. Whoa, a tie? No way. What happens now? Oh, I don't remember this. What a transformation. So cool. Can't be that it's you. So nice to hear. Forget it. You're so mean. You could have praised me. Oh no, Rumi. Wait, where's your dress? I left it for the doll. Don't distract me or I'll miss my color again.
There should definitely be a music.
I need to watch for my color too. Ooh, and once again, the lovely Ballerina Cappuccina. Oh, my color. Are we still playing hands-free? Hope it counts. Ooh, be attentive now. I see a red ribbon. And I see a green plant. And red in the back. Ah, I found another. Oh, my head hurts from this game. Wow, so cool.
I'm your biggest fan. I'll do anything for you.
Do you guys want to see a video where Rumi and Ballerina Cappuccina are best friends? Tell us in the comments. Wow, that was such a cool video. See you in the next video. Bye. Do you like the video? Like it, write a comment, and click on the bell to stay updated.